Hi everyone, this is June from Finance Bread Channel. Imagine yourself having the financial freedom, and going travel everywhere in many countries, enjoying the beach, the different cultures. I'm sure you will want that kind of financial success. Today we're going to talk about some effective tool for you to reach that financial freedom. And we're going to talk about Rule of 72. Let's take a look at some real life examples. Jesse and Crystal. So let's take a look at Jesse's first. Jessie started at age 12. She put in $3,000 in an ETF fund that generate 8% return rate. So according to rule of 72, she will use 72 divided by 8. So her money will double every 9 years. So that makes it easier to calculate. You can see when she is 21, she will have 6,000. That will double. So every 9 years, so calculated 30. When she's 30, she will have 12,000. When she's 39, she will have 24,000. When she's 48, she will have 48,000. Continue the trend, 75, she will have 384,000. She have two more, assuming she's going to live until 93. And when she's 84, she will have 768,000. When she is 93, she will have over $1.5 million. That's really impressive. So now let's look at Crystal's investment. Crystal also invests in an 8% ETF fund. And instead of 12, she started at age 21. So she missed like one double period. Like when she's 21, it's 3,000, same amount of initial investment. When she is 30, it doubles, 6,000. Then the next doubling period is 39. She will have 12,000. And when she is 48, 24,000. Next, 57, 48,000. When she is 66, 96,000. When she's 75, I'm sure 92,000. And when she is 84, she will have 384,000. And she's very lucky too. She get to live until 93. I think it's pretty long life. She will have 768,000. So let's see the difference. Jessie and Crystal. Jessie has over $1.5 million. Crystal have 768,000. That's almost 800,000 difference. That's a huge one. So if Crystal have invested also in 12, and that will be, she will also have $1.5 million. So start to invest early. We could also use rules of 72 to calculate the return rate you want to reach your financial goal. For example, this couple, they want to have their investment money double in 6 years so the kid could go to college. And so 6 years, according to rule of 72, you will need a 12% rate of return for the investment vehicle you invest in. How do I get that? 72 divided by 6, that give you 12%. So if you need to reach that goal in 8 years, you could find some investment vehicle with a 9% return rate. 72 divided by 8, that will give you 9%. So you could use it both ways. The previous example gave us how many years. You can see it will double, and also this one will give you the rate of return for the investment vehicle you're looking for. So this guy, Adam, he's an engineer, and he wants to buy a house. He's doing very well, very diligent. He wants to put in down payment of 80,000, like 20% of the house, the 20% of the market value he wants to invest in. And he saved 40,000 already, and he's having a hard time to calculate what money to how long it's going to take him to double that savings to 80,000. He could finally get his first house. So let's use rule of 72. So he won the house for 400,000, and he wanted to put in 20% down payment, 80,000. He has savings for 40,000. So how long it would take to double that 40,000? Because he told me the return rate he investing is about 8%. So we use 72 divided by 8 equal 9 years. So it would take him 9 years to get there to buy the house. And he kind of saying, well, 9 years, that's too long. I kind of want to really buy it in 6 years. So he could do two things. Either he will put out more down payment, Or he could look for a fund that generate more return rate rather than 8%. You put she needs 6, she would need 12%. The 72 divided by 12 equal to 6 years. So it depends on how, what is his plan. He want to buy 9 years, he could look for a fund that have 8%. If if he want to double in 6 years and buy his house, he could look for a fund that have 12% investment return rate. This rule, we could also use it to see like the interest and also commission rate, how long it would take to double. For example, this guy, Chris, he has 10,000 credit card debt, and the credit card charged him 20% interest rate. So it would take how long? 72 divided by 20. It would take him about 3.6 years, take the interest to double. So that means it would take from 10,000, it will grow to 20,000. That's pretty big. So be careful with the interest rate and be mindful about that, because it will double the fee, the interest expense. And so what is the key takeaway for Rule of 72? It's a really powerful, effective tool to calculate how long it would take you to double your investment at a given rate of return. And also it's start early, because so you will have more time period to double your investment, and don't give up. If you enjoy watching this video series, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.